This video is going to be incredibly amazing because today I'm going to tell you about an AI tool that is not only free, but also capable of performing multiple tasks, as it is an all-in-one AI tool. Moreover, it is significantly better than Heygen, DAD, and InVideo. So without wasting time, let me quickly tell you everything about this amazing AI tool. The name of this AI tool is Vidnoz AI. As I mentioned earlier, it is an all-in-one AI tool. In this video specifically, I am going to tell you about its talking head AI avatar creating feature. You can try all other features on your own. I will explain each and every feature of this AI tool later in this video. To use it, simply search for it on Google, or alternatively, I have provided a link in the description for your reference. So let's start with the features. There are 400 plus AI avatars and video templates. There is an AI voice cloning feature like InVideo and a text-to-speech feature like 11 Labs. There is also an AI video enhancer. Secondly, there is all about free AI tools like AI talking photo creator, AI video translator, AI text-to-video like InVideo IO, but for free, AI avatar generator, AI vocal remover, AI text-to-speech, face swap, AI voice changer, AI dancing photo, AI cartoon generator, and AI background remover. Here are all the use cases of this AI tool. You can create an explainer video like I have created this one. You can use it for training and development, e-learning. You can create news video related to tech AI or any other topic. If you are or want to be a content creator like me, then this AI tool is 100% going to help you. Now let's talk about the thing that you all are waiting for, that is pricing. So actually, it has a daily basis free version that will be best for individuals. But if you are an enterprise or want to use it more in a day, then you can surely go for paid plans because it is very low priced compared to other AI tools like this. There are so many other features. You can check them on your own, but for now, let me create a talking head video as I said before. So to create a talking photo, just go to the home and scroll down to here on talking photo, and here you can choose any of these avatars or click on upload my photo. After choosing a photo, click on generate this talking photo. Now here you can choose the settings related to your avatar and just put your text or voice here and then hit generate. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to generate this, and after that, you can watch this and download easily.
Hey everyone! Forget about E equals MC squared and please subscribe to Techie Sapien.
So this was the quick complete tutorial on Vidnoz AI. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have any query related to this or any suggestion for me, then just comment below. Share this video with people who want this type of AI tools and subscribe to know about more AI tools like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time with any other amazing AI tool. Till then, use this AI tool and do whatever you want.